Hello and welcome to chapter 2. In this video, we're going to look at how we can move around the viewport. So this video is going to be short and concise. So in order to look left and right, we simply have to left click and drag our mouse to either the left side or the right side. If we want to go forward and backwards, again, holding down the left mouse button, simply move up and down. Now, if we were to right click and look left and right, that's also possible. But this time, if we move forward and backwards, we now look up and down. If we click the middle mouse button and we click and hold it down, we can pan. So we can pan up and down, left and right. If we scroll the mouse wheel, we can zoom in and zoom out. Now, if we hold down the Alt key and left click, we can now orbit in a circular motion. While holding down the Alt key, if we right click, we can dolly or zoom in and out. And if we hold down the Alt key and click the mouse button, we can now pan up and down, left and right. Additionally, you can also use the W, A, S, and D keys, the standard keys that we'll use in any video game in order to move around. And then we can combine those together in order for us to move around like this, where we can press W to go forward, and while holding down the right mouse button, we can look left and right. Now, something else we can do is if we look at the outliner here on the far right-hand side, and we select an object, and then we press the F key, we'll zoom to that object. So this is a way that we can move very quickly from one thing to another thing inside our viewport. Now, additionally, there are some options that you might want to consider enabling or disabling. That can be found here in the top right-hand corner. If you click this, we can change the mouse sensitivity. So as we move around like this is the sensitivity currently at 0.2. You could increase this to, let's say, 1. And now the sensitivity is very high. I find that 0.2 is pretty good. The other thing you might want to consider changing is the scroll speed. So if you have a very large level like this and we're scrolling with the mouse wheel, you might think it's a little slow. So you can increase this. The maximum value is 8. And now you can see that we can scroll much quicker. Let's change that back. And finally, below that, we have some inversion options. So as we talked about before, where we could orbit, as we could pan, things like that, you might want to turn on these inversion controls right here. So with that being said, that's how we move around the viewport in Unreal Engine. This is just a very short, concise video. And in the next video, we'll look at how we can start to place objects in the world and manipulate them. So with that being said, I'd like to thank you for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.